Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how I turned this thrifted sheet into a dress for the Renaissance Fair. That's today on Refashioning with Rachel. First, I cut out the elastic from the fitted sheet and also cut into the darts on the corners so that the sheet would lie flat. After the elastic was all cut out, I laid it on the floor and folded it in half twice. This gave me a stack of 4 layers to cut through, with a double fold at the top of the screen and at the right of the screen. I took a shirt that fit me well to use as a pattern and folded it in half and lined up the fold of the shirt with the double fold of the fabric. I stretched out the sleeves to the folded edge of the fabric, and using the shirt as a guide, I sketched in the neck hole. I traced around the side seams and the underarm seams, adding 1 centimeter for seam allowance. To make the sleeves more dramatic, I extended a line about 25 inches past the cuff and drew in a curved line from the end of the cuff back to the sleeve. I drew in a straight diagonal line from the waist, and using the measurement of my waist to the floor, I marked off that measurement at several points from the waist and connected them with a curved line. I added a couple of extra inches here for the hem and for adjustments. Then I cut out this shape and I cut out the neck hole. I cut out a slightly deeper neck hole for the front, and then opened it up so that I could pin the side seams with right sides together. Here I'm pinning one of the side seams. And this is how it looks with the right sides together and the side seams pinned, and this is where I will sew the only 2 seams in this entire project. At the sewing machine, I sewed the side seams and the underarm seams all in one go. I used a serger to finish off the raw edges, but a zigzag stitch would have worked just as well. At this point, I tried the dress on, and the only adjustment I made was to trim off a little bit of the hem at the sides. And then I hemmed the dress simply by folding over the raw edge twice, just a little bit, and securing with a stitch. To finish off the sleeves and the neck hole, I very simply made a zigzag stitch all around the raw edge. Then I trimmed off any hanging threads. And that is a very easy way to finish off the sleeves and the neck hole. To make a simple tie, I cut out a long 2-inch wide strip of fabric and folded it in half and made a stitch about 1 centimeter away from the fold. I trimmed away the extra fabric and used some thread and an embroidery needle to turn the strip right side out. I ironed the tie so that it would look nicer and tied off the ends into knots. And then this project was finished. So here's a reminder of how it looked before. And here's how it looks now. This dress is so comfortable. I wore it to the Renaissance Fair, but I also am wearing it right now because it's just the most comfortable pajamas I've ever had. And I just love how simple it is and how versatile it looks. It can be any kind of fantasy dress or princessy dress. It also has very cottagecore boho vibes to it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you did, and check out some of my other refashioning videos, and have a beautiful day.